Hi, hello. Um, Welcome to my video presentation. This video I'm going to present to you or showing you my performance task, which is called the pin number or the pin strand tracker. So first things first, I just uh, put or input the string string, in which means ito yung variable na mastorya natin yung user pin as string. So next is boolean. Boolean means valid. Then si boolean, which is boolean flag, to check kung valid ba ang ating pin. And then I perform the do while loop. Si do while loop, dito kasi natin magagamit at masa-start natin kung do while loop para paulit-ulit lang magtanong hanggat hindi siya ma-valid yung pin natin. So ganyan siya. And then we put a do pin J option showing input dialog show input dialog which is show input dialog and null. This is null. This enter. Put the enter for digit. Must be unique. Unique chunk and then put also pin strength tracker. a message. Write this. Okay. Kung makita natin, kita tayo ng input dialog box and asking for a 4-digit pin using G option pin to input dialog, and then this is store natin yung variable pin, and after that use and is valid. Gamit taog is valid. True. So, i-assume muna natin ang valid pin. Pabagawin na natin, i-change na natin ito kung meron siyang mali. So, ganyan siya. And sunod, using if in len, and pagkitsumagam dito. For and use G option pin. So message. It says exactly 4 digits. 4 digits. And then as usual, input invalid input, invalid pin, and has warning message, G option. warning message. Yeah. And then you also put in is valid, is even for siya. Tapos here kalimut na butang na yun. I have a problem. Yes. After that, after in that, here in this area naggamit tayo ng option function message, which means i-check natin kung it has or exacto ba yung 4 digits nga pin. That's why we use a message dialog ng option pin and its warning message. And kung hindi siya, magsushow yung warning message natin at it continues, makakontinue natin yung loop. So ganyan siya. So continue. Here we use if pin. Pin tubig kasi hindi na rin pwede magamit. Pin that matches and here D and 4. Tapos conduct tayo ng bracket ibaba. Use the option again. Pane. So and null. And we conduct we entered the pin must contain only numbers. And invalid pin. Ano? Tapos use the option pane dot warning message. That's it. And as usual kanina we create and is valid if it is false or true. False. Continue. So dito i-check natin kung number lang ba laman ng pin. So at kung may letters or may symbols siya, yung program natin mare-reject niya at mag-give siya ng warning message. So I use this pin must only have contain only numbers. So just that. And then we proceed to sa using for int I 0 pin that length na then I plus 4 and int j equals I plus 1. I can't use 1 in my keyboard. Why? Okay, you just have to Control V. Okay. Okay, let's continue. You may be confused why am I done it already. It's because sudden of brown the sudden of loss of my cell phone batteries. I gave it charge. I charged it immediately and continued working with my code, so that this code is already done by seeing it. So now what I have done, this is by this area nested na siya. So I use a nested loop para kung i-check natin kung may duplicate ba yung mga digits niya. So ganyan siya. And I use a outer loop para pumipili tayo ng mga digit I and yung digit I. And ang inner loop is i-compare niya yung sumusunod na digits na J, which is ito, I and J. And kung may match, mag-show din yung warning at mag-stop din yung program natin. So ganyan siya. And here I use a while kasi uulitin din niya yung loop hanggat hindi na mabavalid yung pin. So and here as well, see that this is the last J option pin show message dialog, which sees na success yung pag enter ng kanyang pin, which is pag valid na, ipapakita niya yung mga success message niya kasama ang mga pin. So ganyan siya. So and then next we see is the code. Okay, so I'm gonna show you running the code and how it actually works. If we run the code, first here we see the each 4-digit pin, which let's say for example, if we put an input here, let's say 4456, and if that it shows that the pin cannot have repeated digits, so that shows na hindi yung mababalik yung paulit-ulit yung numbers na dapat ipin mo. Dapat different numbers if you have to pin it pin the number of it. And if you're exceeding or you put a lot of bunch of numbers and the program says pin must be exactly 4 digits, so okay. And if your digits is unique, just like this 926565, which means yung output is valid siya. So ganyan lang ang kanyang pin. That's all everyone, thank you.